my loves, welcome back to another vlog. So today is my estate party and the first agenda is exercising and whatnot. I woke up late, so yeah. Anyways, I've got some errands to run.
Everybody go to breakfast.
And I'll be worried about him next. I know the truth. I think it's just meant for you. So brand new. But you married him. You know I live in my life.
I know holy and I know that tempo that the Baba.
So many reasons why I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See all the good things you do, they make me know. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come bulldozer. I want to make me there. Bulldozer. Girl, I want to make you bulldozer. I feel like making you bulldozer. No, bulldozer. I want to make me there. Bulldozer. Girl, I want to make you bulldozer. I feel like making you bulldozer. Bulldozer.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is of the essence. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to get.
Okay, so I was saying that today is our estate party. I had to cut the first video off because my husband was on a call, with the mechanic and cars 5 and 6. But anyways, today's the estate party, so I'm trying to run my errands this morning because they already told us that the party is going to hold on my own road, so car movement is going to be very hard and I don't want to be caught in that. I want to have done all my errands and then just chill and enjoy the party. So the first errand now is we're at the electronics shop. He wants to get like some things because he wants to connect our washing machine and whatever, man stuff. I don't know, but anyways, that's it. Welcome back to another vlog. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like, share and comment and do. Thank you.
Do you know I've not paid?
So you left the shop without paying? Ew. I beg, what's the meaning of Asa Odogu? Is it like wife of an Odogu? What will now be?
Understand what I'm saying? When the car is this clean, we are missing something. There should be a scent somewhere coming here.
The one who left the shop without paying. I greet you, Mazi.
Mazi Bekwe, it's not easy.
I greet you, sir.
It's not easy. But I remember now. I remember. I'm not like you that will forget.
Me? For what?
I'm not like you that will.
So errand 2, I'm going to drop one of my wig with my wig lady to reconstruct it and revamp it. Yeah, so we're going now for errand 2 with Ewo Chimbo.
Village girl.
So we're going Chimbo. Ewo, this road is not good. Wow. We're just going straight. You're going straight now. But this area is nice. I mean, I always like this area.
You want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last.
So we've dropped my hair with my hair lady, and she's going to help me wig it. Blah 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 blah. We're on our way back home because the car is overheating again. And so he needs to drop me home so I can prepare Zion for the estate party, and we'll go to the mechanic. So that's the end of errands with the love of my life. Are you allergic to PDA?
Make a call, make a bomb, 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 make a call, make a cheap, but the bomb, 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 your body, make a bomb, 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 on a make it.
So there's a new supermarket around our area called Jendol. So let's go check it out before we go home. Let's see what they are talking about. I don't know if the prices will beat the other places I shop at, but yeah, let's see. So wait now, babe.
Electrical something for washing. Guys,
wait.
There's nothing waiting.
Calm down. Now, it's my video now. It's not my vlog. Now we're already done with errands. You know, I told you guys the car is overheating, so it was already like making noise, like ooh. So I was like, okay.
Wow.
So I was like, let's stop at Jendol, park, let the car cool down. So I would like hard water, whatever he wants to do, man cave, man stuff. Now we entered Jendol. I just said let's go around, let's see what they're about. Yeah. And I just said, let me just pick lemon. I picked lemon for the plot. Not for the plot. He passed by the parfait. Show yourself. He passed by the parfait once. He passed by the parfait twice. He said, I think we should take parfait, but we'll drink it before we get home. See, look at him.
I find why I gave you what you needing. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say I mean the mess of my mind, and I mean the make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be lie. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye, yeah, you could leave. I'm struggling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey baby, everybody's saying no one loves you like that. No one wants you.
So we're going for the adult party now. Mama Fox. Corporate 1, corporate 2, corporate 3 going now. Corporate 4, corporate 5, corporate 5, corporate 5, corporate 6 back. Yeah. Oh baby.